G'day folks, how are you? So, yeah, here at Camp 1, got a bit of a cold, but it's a beautiful place here. At the moment I've got a bit of a burr on my hatchet. This is we'll just take it off. Got a good workshop here which does a really good job. It has a convex edge, so I'll show you here. Won't take long, just hit a rock. Yeah, just something to do later anyway. That's all right. It's got a good edge now. And yeah, I'll just go through my campsite, show you day one of my adventure. Yeah, put that on there so she's safe. And now I'll take this phone off and show you what I've got. Set up my hammock. It's an Alton hammock. Here's my chair. Nice view down there. And there's a rock melon. That's one of my rock melons. I'm going to have that later. Over here, I couldn't believe it. I discovered a couple of bottles of wine. Yeah, and they're both full. That's cold in the creek. Now I've got it tied to got a tarp above it. That's to keep the rain off. And yeah, here's a DD Hammocks under blanket on my Alton bag. That's my camera bag, and there's my bivvy bag, and that's my pack behind it. And up here, ladies and gentlemen, I've got another tarp up here to keep the rain off because it's quite wet out here. And here is my fireplace. There's the reflector that I built, and I've got, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got bacon and eggs. I don't want to get this too. I've got a couple of eggs in there. Trying to dry everything out. There's my grocery bag. Got an axe back there, and I'll come around here. Oh, I'll just put this on. Yeah, here we are, folks. In my, I got a tarp set up here, if and when it rains, and that's where I'm sleeping down there. There's my little spot. This spot's nice and warm. It's keeping away the mosquitoes. It's burning well, but I've got all the timber here. I split it, and I've got it drying out against the heat reflector, which is a handy place to put my hat on, right there. So, yeah, again, rissoles there and bacon on those bits of timber roasting, and a couple of eggs there. And that's all there is today, folks. So, yeah. Just walk down here, show you a nice swimming hole. There's my hammock set up. Hopefully it's good weather, but yeah, you get that. And again, this is my pawpaw. I'm going to open that and grab a bottle of wine. I'll put it back up here and lock it back in. So this is a lovely Sauv Blanc, Sauvignon Blanc right there. B, you know. Now I don't have a cup, so I'll just sit here and enjoy this, and my pawpaw. So that's camp 1, day 1, 10 days to go. See you on the next one. Have a nice day.